So you finally quit your day job to become a freelance web designer. It sure is nice sleeping in. No more boss. No more cubicle. No more commute. You can just get out of bed and walk to your desk. Don't even need to put on pants. This is what freedom looks like. Home office. Starting your own business. Congratulations, you finally launched your own design firm. Today you'll get up and running, and before long, you'll be the very model of freelance success and professionalism. Quick, where are your pants? Huzzah! Your business cards have arrived. Let's take a look. Very nice. And it looks like you're CEO, president, and founder. So young and so accomplished. First, your home office is looking a little bare. Now's the time to outfit your little outfit with all the things you need to run your business. You deserve the very best. Color-coded filing system, energy-efficient designer fan, printer scanner fax machine, high-def wireless headphones, 100% alpaca live-work robe, 50-inch 4K auxiliary monitor. That's right, when it comes to optimizing your work environment, spare no expense. Then again, sometimes it pays to be a minimalist. There you go. All you really need is paper, pen, and a dream. Brr, I guess your landlord turns off the heat during the workday. Your broker said cozy studio apartment, but your nipples say Siberian gulag. Toasty. Now you're ready to get to work. Let's start by building your portfolio. Where's that poster you designed in college for your band? That might be a bit outdated. What about something more contemporary? How about including that website you built for your last job? If that isn't representative of your skill set, I don't know what is. Oh no, it's gone. They've redesigned the whole thing. It's like you never existed. What is that racket? Better check it out. Why are there so many people walking around on a workday? Don't they have someplace to be? This is why the economy's in the toilet. How are you going to get any work done? You thought this through, didn't you? You had a real job, benefits, healthcare, colleagues. Now you've downsized your apartment and moved to a studio in Brooklyn just to make the rent. Look, your bed is over there. In your office. The walls are closing in. Why do your legs suddenly feel all wumbly? Don't spiral. It's your old boss. Thank goodness, he must want you back. They were crazy to let you go in the first place. Here's what you do. Take their job offer, after negotiating for a higher salary, of course, and from there, slowly ease your way back into freelancing, but the right way this time. Whoops, you missed it. That's fine. Make them wait. Remember, they need you. Oh, a voicemail. Let's see what their opening offer is. That's odd. They just want your old keycard back. No need for you to stop by. You can just drop it in the mail. Well, old sport, I guess it's full steam ahead. There's nothing holding you back now. Remember, you're not unemployed, you're self-employed.